Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family, and what a glorious morning it is. We're going to a location where there's apparently about 20 or 30 cars. You know I love cars, so we've filled the old van with fuel, and then we're going to go on this madness journey.
Left onto Worcester Street, B4195, then sharp left onto Bewley Road.
What she said. So yeah, so hopefully this is going to be...
Left onto Bewley Road, then turn left onto Worcester Street.
Have you quite finished? So, as I was saying...
Dorset Road, then turn left onto Dorset Road.
So the downsides of having a big van, when you're exploring and you need to go down these little tiny lanes where the trees overhang, you're smashing everything. By the time we finish this explore, this van will be a medium wheelbase small box van because we're going to get smashed. I'm pretty sure there's no place around here to turn around. I'm pretty sure of that. Oh, we're hitting shit, we're hitting everything, everything's smashing.
You have arrived.
Oh, fucking hell. Suppose this is one way to learn how to drive this van properly, eh? So yeah, we've arrived at the location, but we've also arrived at a place where the van is completely and utterly just stuck. Right, let's get to reversing this thing. This is no place for a big van, no place for a big van at all. Here we go. Oh, everything's getting smashed. So this is currently this. There it is. I'm pretty sure tractors and cars can get past that. If they can't, they're fucking idiots. So basically there's a huge long ass walk, so I'm not going to bother recording the whole walk. So what we'll do, I'll get as close as I can, then I'll start the camera on, so I'll see you in a second, peoples. So I just thought I'd mention, I'm starting a new channel up, and I've already started the new channel. This channel is about finding old cars and literally trying to get them running again. Well, not old cars, any sort of old machinery, any old vehicles, trucks, tractors, bulldozer, anything that's like got an engine really. So that's the new channel. When we've got a few videos up, I will give you the name of the channel. But I'm still going to keep this channel going because obviously I'm an exploring channel. So I've started this channel with Dylan. You would have seen him in a few of my other videos. Basically, he's the mechanic. I'm just the, I don't know, editor. Now, I don't know this location at all, apart from what I've been told. From the Google Maps imagery, there's like a lot, and I mean a lot of cars. So let's just hope that the cars are still present and they haven't been removed or gone. So I was told that there's no one around here, but I've just heard quite a loud chainsaw, so I'm pretty sure that someone's still here. So yeah, well, we found the location, but we've also found a transit pickup with gibberish talking people and a chainsaw. That's not really a good combination really. Right, we found some cars here. We're going to jump the fence and we'll have a look around, so if anybody comes, you know, at least we've got a few cars under the belt. But they sound really close, so here we go. All these flipping cars, look. Let's look at this old wagon first. So my feet are going to get soaked. That's a cool old wagon, isn't it? Locked, but it's clean inside. Really clean inside. Sorry about anything else. What we do, because the chainsaw's over there, we work our way down here. I've been here 2 minutes and my feet are soaked. Old tractor. Doorway and tree lock. This is where how dodgy this is, people, because it's literally like, they're literally there. There. All I need to do is literally just drive up and they see me. Look at this. This place is absolutely awesome. Awesome place. Oh, Talbot. What's the mileage? Apparently 21,000. Old Land Rover series with a toilet seat. That's cool. That's really cool. An old Ford Transit there. The mileage. Can you see the mileage for you peeps? Is it 19,000 apparently? See, the one thing you got to understand, we're in the middle of nowhere, and I don't know who those people are, I don't know what they're like, but they have chainsaws. They've all gone quiet now. Wow. How cool is this? 119,000. This is dope. Crazy thing is, this is the first field, there's none of the two fields. How dope that is, look at that old Mini. Old Montego. Another old Montego. Two Montegos. I've never owned a Montego, I haven't. Fuck, look at that Montego's got trees growing out of it, look. How cool is that? That's a cool picture. I mean, look at all this here, all this scrap. Now this is scrap, but this has got classic car parts in. You got fenders, you got wheels, you got subframes, you got all sorts of things in here. Radiator grills. That's like a treasure trove of like classic car parts. Once they were rubbish, you know, there was a time where it was rubbish, but now they're getting more desirable. So, you know, it's good. You know, if you could sift through all this crap here, you'd probably find some half decent parts in the middle where the rain hasn't really got. So we're getting closer now. We're literally getting closer to where they are. So we've got a Land Rover series here. Got a Subaru there, Escort there. Mark II Golf I think over there. More scrap pile of cars there. I mean in the forest, directly in front of us. There's just cars scattered everywhere. Let's keep looking at these cars, peeps. So we've got an old Australian Subaru here. It's dope, that's cool, isn't it? Let's go around the other side, see if we can get into the actual door. I mean, see if we can get in and see if, like, see what the mileage is. Mileage is 130,000. This doesn't seem to be in bad shape, to be honest. This doesn't. Let's look at the Escort. She's done, according to this, 39,000. That's cool. Makita tools and Bosch tools. Old Mark II Golf. This has got 109,000. You see, this is pretty cool inside still. All these cars are used as like storage areas. Absolutely madness. An old MG there, look. MG Montego. That's rare, very rare. I mean, look how mad this is. They've literally got a car just chucked in the bushes like it's just a toy car. So this is the first field. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try and scout the area, see if I can get to the second field. Got a cool Rover V8 here, look. And the chrome is still shiny. The chrome is still as shiny as it was when it left the showroom. With the cool old Mini here, look. That's the thing about Minis, they're so small, they just get left. I can't even open the door. Mini Mayfair, that's absolutely awesome. Sounds like they're coming this way now. I think the oldest cars of this place are these old Rovers. It's kind of weird because we've got a burgundy one over there with brown doors, and we've got a brown one here with burgundy doors. Just at some point, one of these was a parts car, but ultimately they both become parts cars. This place is awesome, absolutely awesome, but dodgy as fuck. If we look at this, look, you don't see this anymore. Chrome key covers, awesome. Doors are locked on this side. Look out for a badge. Rover at its finest. Oh, she's open. What's the badge on the old girl? 51,000. $51,000 now. Listen to that. Listen to the sound of this door. The thing's rotten and dead, but the door still closes perfect. Rover at its finest. Shocking how they went bust. Well, they sound like they're getting closer, so. One of the crazy things about this place, it's got caravans everywhere, look. I mean, you know, when you see a place that's got caravans, you think one thing, don't you? Caravanners. Should we have a look in here, shall we? Why not? At least we have to hide behind here, can't we? Doesn't smell too bad, to be honest, just smells complete rot. See how we slid, are we on a bank? Bugger on. Yeah, let's get out of here, it's boring. Shit, can't close it now. It's come off the hinges. Yeah, we fucked that, we have. Yeah, we solved it. Poor little MG Metro there. So there, that Metro there the current prices today for an MG Metro that shape, you're looking at about 7 grand. There are cars and cars and cars and cars over there. Fucking cars everywhere. Tractors a lot. This place is a fucking gold mine. Also full of shit. I'm blown away by this place. I mean, most of these vehicles will start. Here you went then. I'm expecting a big fuck off dog to come now. Shall I call registration? Dab. I can't do the dab. Look at the classic cars in the bushes. This place is a treasure trove of classic cars, they're everywhere. I mean, you walk past these bushes, you wouldn't even know, look at that. There's one there too. I don't know what that is, but there's a car there too. It says Austin on the back. This is the place where we need to get permission to come out and look around properly. We found the house, peeps. This is as far as I'd like to go. Yeah. We'll move back up the field now. Last thing we want to do is get caught on these premises, because you know you're on your land. You know you're going to feed one of your sheep or whatever, and some random geezer with a baseball cap on, with a backpack talking to a camera is walking on your land. You're going to go a bit skits, because I know I would. I mean, it's not the best ideal location to just have a wander around, because I'll give you a quick view. See the tree line? We are literally in the middle of nowhere, literally. You know what I mean? I've got no business being down here really. You know, I'm not really dressed like the average farmer bloke, as you can see. So, first impressions are everything. And if they look at me, they're going to think, you know, I'm a thief or whatever. You know, I'm like drag a car door over you or something, but you know, you can't explain these things to these people. So basically, unless I can find something else, I'm going to call it quits on this video. And well, I hope to find something else, so I might be back, but if not, please like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. Leave a comment in the box below. And until next time, next video, enough respect, enough love, Stokes out, peace.